Militer Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir. Juru bicara militer Rusia, Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov, tanggal 14 Agustus merilis, lebih dari 200 prajurit Brigadi Infanteri Mekanik ke-56 Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina menolak melakukan tugas tempur di dekat Opitnoye dan Pervomaiskoye di Republik Rakyat Donetsk dan secara sukarela meninggalkan posisi mereka karena kerugian besar. Misalnya, Batalion Ketiga Brigadi, yang beroperasi di dekat Marinka, tersisa 140 prajurit dari total 580 prajurit yang ada di posko. Penerbangan operasional taktis dan tentara, pasukan rudal dan serangan artileri Rusia terus berlanjut terhadap fasilitas militer di Ukraina. Satu stasiun pendeteksi dan penargetan radar di dekat Peresadovka di wilayah Nikolaev, satu depot bahan bakar di dekat Slaviansk dan dua depot amunisi di dekat Sevanovka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk dan Iskrovka di wilayah Kirovograd dihancurkan. Selain itu, dua depot senjata rudal dan artileri Brigadi Infanteri bermotor ke-58 di Artemovsk, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, dan Brigadi Mekanis ke-63 di dekat Beresnevatoye, wilayah Nikolaev, juga dieliminir Angkatan Bersenjata Rusia. 5 pos komando diserang, termasuk Brigadi Lintas Udara ke-43 di Velikaya Novoselka, kelompok artileri Brigadi Serangan Lintas Udara ke-79 dekat Chasov Yar di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, markas besar Batalion 247 Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-127 di Kharkov, 4 titik penempatan sementara unit Brigadi Pertahanan Teritorial ke-113 dekat Zolochev di wilayah Kharkov, dan 151 area konsentrasi tenaga kerja, senjata, dan peralatan militer. Secara total, 267 pesawat Ukraina dan 148 helikopter, 1.738 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 365 sistem rudal anti pesawat, 4.303 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 798 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.298 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.888 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 150 prajurit Rusia dieliminir dalam 24 jam terakhir. Total 43.550 tentara Federasi Rusia meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-172. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky terus menyerukan solidaritas internasional untuk membantu mengusir Rusia dari tanah air Ukraina.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. As a result of the Russian armed forces' offensive actions, all in Kharkov region has been completely liberated. High-precision strikes of the Russian aerospace forces against a temporary deployment point of the 66th Mechanized Brigade near Dzержinsk in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed up to 40 nationalists and 9 pieces of military equipment. As a result of the Russian aerospace forces' strikes against manpower and military equipment concentrations of the 63rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Belaya Krynytsa and Belogorka in Kherson region, 35 nationalists and 15 units of armored vehicles and equipment have been destroyed. Concentrated strikes on positions of the 53rd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Sribnoe in Donetsk People's Republic have destroyed up to 200 nationalists and 15 pieces of military equipment. More than 200 servicemen of the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces have refused to perform combat tasks near Opitnoye and Pervomaiskoye in Donetsk People's Republic and voluntarily abandoned their positions due to heavy losses. For example, the brigade's 3rd Battalion, which was operating near Marinka, had about 140 of its 580 men on its payroll. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. one radar detection and targeting station near Peresadovka in Nikolaev region, one fuel depot near Slavyansk, and 2 ammunition depots near Zvanovka in Donetsk People's Republic and Iskrovka in Kirovograd region have been destroyed. In addition, 2 missile and artillery weapon depots of the 58th Motorized Infantry Brigade in Artomovsk of Donetsk People's Republic and the 63rd Mechanized Brigade near Bereznigovatoye of Nikolaev region have been destroyed. 5 command posts have been hit, including those of the 43rd Airborne Brigade in Velikaya Novoselka, artillery group of the 79th Airborne Assault Brigade near Chasov Yar in Donetsk People's Republic, headquarters of the 247th Battalion of the 127th Territorial Defense Brigade in Kharkov, 4 temporary deployment points of the 113th Territorial Defense Brigade units near Zalachov in Kharkov region, and 151 areas of manpower, weapons and military equipment concentration. In the course of counter-battery warfare, 1 platoon of Grad MLRS near Artomovsk, 1 artillery platoon of Getsin B guns, and 7 platoons of D-30 howitzers have been suppressed at the nationalists' firing positions in Zvanovka, Kuzminovka, Seversk, Peroyezdnoye, Vesoloye, and Vyimka in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic and Glubokoye in Kharkov region, 1 U ballistic missile over Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic, and 15 shells of MLRS near Lysychansk in Lugansk People's Republic. Antonovka and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region have been intercepted. In total, 267 Ukrainian airplanes and 148 helicopters, 1,738 unmanned aerial vehicles, 365 anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,303 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 798 multiple launch rocket systems, 3,298 field artillery and motors, as well as 4,888 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.